Intercon's large purging kit for pipe is packaged in 2 aluminum carrying cases. Combined, a kit consists of a 30-foot low permeability hose, 2 of each, 8, 6, 4, 3, and 2-inch damming baffles, the Maxi Purge 2 hardware, the Maxi Purge 1 hardware, and an extra rigid arm with a flexible arm for use on elbows. A pair of 10-inch and 12-inch baffles complete the kit's 2-inch to 12-inch range and includes a 2-inch by 75-foot roll of non-contaminating tape for sealing root gaps prior to purging. An Interpurge catalog is included in every kit.